Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
In the last class, what did we do? We started cross product, right?
Yes, sir.
So earlier we saw what dot product was, and the first example of dot product we saw was work done, right? And then when we talked about cross product, uh, the example of cross product we took was of torque, right? Now, what does torque do? What does torque do? Tell me. What does force do?
Move.
Force
A
causes
particle
body
to
to
accelerate or
Torque.
force causes the body to accelerate,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Torque causes a body to rotate. Okay. Okay. Anyway, we'll come to the torque
Rotate,
topic of
rotate.
torque in detail when we get. Yeah.
Sir, you said that you explained that why bar into bar F,
Where?
why we have to write that only.
Acha.
Seriously.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
some
Yeah.
more.
Yeah. I told you why torque is R cross F and not F cross R, right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
before that, let me just write down what torque is. Uh, Torque is given as a cross product of position vector. What is the position vector of here? What is the position vector here? It is the position vector of the point of application of force from the axis of rotation with respect to axis of rotation, right? Cross F bar. What is F bar? F bar is the force vector.
Force applied.
Okay. Now, what is it equal to? It's equal to magnitude of R into magnitude of F into
Cos.
sine of angle between them into n cap. Now, n cap is what? N cap is perpendicular to, tell me, the plane containing what? Plane
The
containing,
vectors.
yeah. Which vectors? R bar and F bar,
F bar vectors.
and given by, so there are two directions perpendicular to that, right? So how to choose the direction? Given by
Right hand thumb rule.
right hand thumb rule. Okay, fine. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, let me just explain why it is R cross F and why not F cross R. Why is it chosen that way? So suppose this is a door you have. Suppose this is a door you have, and suppose this is the uh, axis of rotation of door. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is the hinge about which the door will rotate. Clear? Now, suppose the force is applied in this direction, in upward direction, like this. How will the rotation be?
Anti-clockwise.
It will be anti-clockwise. Very good. Now, one more thing, just observe here. Just make a small observation. The position vector is this vector. Do you agree?
Yes,
The
sir.
position vector is this vector. Wait, let me just draw it properly. So this is the position vector, the point at which you are applying the force. And you're starting your position vector from where? From the axis of rotation you are starting, and it's ending at the point at which you are applying the force. So it is the position vector of the point on which you are applying the force. Do you agree? No.
Yes, sir.
It is quite clear that it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Everybody can see that here, right?
Yes, sir.
It is very clear that it is rotating in which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. So this is the direction of rotation of this door. Now just think about it little bit. What is the direction of torque according to our definition? What is the direction of torque? So this is F bar, this is F bar, and this is R bar. This green color vector is R bar. So what is the direction of R cross F? Tell me. First you have to put the tails together. Now tell me how to put the tails together. F is in this direction. Clear? You can slide the vectors. Remember? So you can slide this vector F bar. And what is the direction of R bar? R bar is in this direction. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
R bar is in this direction. So when I say R cross F, मैं जब बोलूंगा R cross F हमेशा R से स्टार्ट करना, F से एंड करना. It doesn't matter वो एंगल 180 से ज्यादा हो या 180 से कम हो. समझ में आई बात?
जी, sir.
See, remember one thing clearly. When you find angle between two vectors, कोई भी दो vectors दे दिया है और उसने पूछा what is angle between two vectors, between ना, तो you have to always take the smaller angle. That means the angle less than 180, not the angle greater than 180. When you find angle between two vectors, correct? But when you do the cross product, A cross B आपने जब किया तो हमेशा किधर से स्टार्ट करना है? A से स्टार्ट करना है और B से एंड करना है. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So here what is R cross F? In which direction will you take your fingers when you are finding R cross F? Tell me. You will start at R and you will end at F. Do you agree? So
Yes, sir.
this is the direction of R cross F. So R cross F का direction above the plane होगा क्या below the plane होगा?
Above.
Plane.
R cross F is up the plane.
Above the
Up the plane. F cross R कैसे होगा?
Below.
Into the plane, right? F cross R is into the plane. समझ में आई बात? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what is torque, up the plane or below the plane? In the case above, torque is up the plane. कौन सा plane? Screen का plane. ठीक है? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
अच्छा.
sir.
अच्छा, now tell me why R cross F? What is the direction of your fingers according to R cross F? Anti-clockwise direction, right?
Yes,
R
sir.
cross F का कौन सा डायरेक्शन है? देखो R cross F का डायरेक्शन कौन सा है? Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise.
And how is the door rotating according to this force?
Anti-clockwise.
डोर कैसे रोटेट होगा? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. अब समझ में आया क्यों आर क्रॉस एफ है, व्हाई नॉट एफ क्रॉस आर? एफ क्रॉस आर इज क्लॉकवाइज. डोर विल नॉट रोटेट क्लॉकवाइज, but door will rotate anti-clockwise. To match that, the defined torque as R cross F, not F cross R. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, मैं एक और एग्जांपल बोलूंगा, आपको समझ में आएगा. Copy, paste. Same example, but let me apply force in the downward direction. तो suppose ये जो force है, same force. Suppose I apply in this direction. Suppose ये direction में apply किया मैंने. ठीक है? Now tell me, This will also be down. R cross F का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा?
Clockwise.
Yeah, it will be clockwise. See, this is the direction of R cross F. Can you see? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, R cross F is down the plane. Can you see that? Down the plane. F cross R is, और into the plane भी बोल सकते हो. ठीक है. F cross R is out of the plane. In this case, torque is what? Into the plane. Clear? समझ में आया? Now, how
Yes,
will
sir.
this door rotate? How will this door rotate? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
It will rotate
Clockwise.
clockwise. It will rotate like this. Can you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is why it is R cross F, not F cross R. ठीक है? It will
Okay, sir.
it will rotate like this. This door will rotate like this. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So torque is what? R cross F. So let me just repeat. So torque is what? R bar
Cross F bar.
cross F bar, which is equal to magnitude of R into magnitude of F into sine of angle between them into n cap. Now n cap is given by right hand thumb rule. Clear? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now let me come back to the cross product. Now I'll ask you one thing. Suppose two vectors are given, their magnitudes are given, angle between them is given. Then you can use this formula R into F into sine theta to find the cross product, right? And the resultant will also be a vector. Resultant will also be a vector. Because resultant is a vector, you need to specify the direction also of the cross product. And direction is specified according to right hand thumb rule, perpendicular to the plane containing two vectors. Clear? So let me repeat that question that we already did, but let me just repeat that. You just tell me and then we'll proceed to the next thing. So suppose this is a plane. Suppose we have two vectors. We have A bar. This is A bar. And we have another vector B bar. Suppose you have another vector B bar. So this is A bar. And this is B bar. So I'll just copy this. Now tell me what will be the direction of A cross B? What will be the direction of A cross B? Up the plane or down the plane? According to your right hand thumb rule. Tell me. A cross B.
Say up the plane.
So this will be the direction of A cross B. Right? How did you get that?
Say right hand thumb rule.
Right hand thumb rule. Okay. What about the direction of B cross A?
Down.
Down the plane. How did you get again? Right hand
Right hand thumb rule.
thumb rule. So this will be the direction of B bar cross A bar. Clear? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now let us go to the next topic. How to find the cross product of two vectors if it is given in the form of I, J, K. Okay? So let me just Add the Cartesian coordinates. So suppose you have these Cartesian coordinates. So this is x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Suppose.
Z-axis.
Okay, fine. So let me just mention it. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. Now tell me what will be the direction of I cap? This is I cap. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So what is I cap? I cap is the unit vector in the direction of x.
X.
And what is y cap? Sorry, j cap? J cap is the
In
unit
direction
vector
of
in the
y.
direction of y. And what is k cap?
Z-axis.
K cap is the unit vector in the direction of
Direction of Z-axis.
z-axis. Okay, everybody knows this by this point. And all are mutually perpendicular. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
is perpendicular to this. This is perpendicular to this. And this is perpendicular to this. All these three are mutually perpendicular to each other. Clear? That means angle between I and j is 90, j and k is 90, and k and I is also 90. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
let me ask you some questions, you answer me. What is I bar cross I bar?
1.
Just think and tell. It is magnitude of I cap, which is 1. Magnitude of I cap, which is 1. What is angle between I and I?
90.
No.
Sine 90, which is 1.
What is angle between I and I? I and
Zero.
itself.
0.
0, which is equal to
0.
0. What is j cross j?
0.
Same, sir.
0. What is k cross k?
0.
0.
0. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
basically we got this. I cross I is 0. J cross j is 0. And k cross k is 0. Clear?
Sir, why do we apply sine theta?
Because that is the definition of cross product. That is the definition of cross product. A into B into sine of angle between two vectors.
So we can't
Okay,
use
sir.
others
What?
like cos, tan.
I derived yesterday why cross product is A into B into sine theta by taking the example of torque. By taking the example of torque. Torque was defined as what? Torque was defined as here, product of magnitude of force and perpendicular distance of the point of rotation from the line of action of force. This is how torque was defined. And I showed you with the example why. See, if you apply force like this, then the perpendicular distance from the line of action of force to the axis of rotation is what? 0. That's why torque is 0. Clear? That's why it is sine. Here, see again. If you apply force, I gave you 3 examples. If you apply force like this, perpendicular distance from the line of action of force to axis of rotation is 0. That's why it will not rotate. That's why there is no torque here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Here, line of action of force is this. Perpendicular distance from the line of action of force is 0 to the axis of rotation. That's why torque is 0. 4 doesn't rotate. The door doesn't rotate. But here, what is the perpendicular distance? This. Now the door will rotate. Clear? And as you keep on increasing the angle, the perpendicular distance will keep on increasing. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, which is the angle that increases with the increase in angle? It is sine theta. Correct? And anyway, if you take geometrically here, the perpendicular distance from the line of action of force to the axis of rotation turns out to be r sine theta, because this is r, this is theta. So opposite side is r sin theta. That's why what is torque? R into F into magnitude of R into magnitude of F into sine of angle between them. Yesterday I proved that. Why it is sine? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
And
clear.
I took various examples also. Why sine theta works? Why when it will be in clockwise, anti-clockwise direction? For what angle will it be in anti-clockwise direction? If angle between F and R is what? Between 0 and 180, it will rotate in what?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise direction. As angle becomes more than 180, it will start rotating in it will start rotating in clockwise direction. So torque will become negative of initial. Sine also will become negative now in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's why I extensively proved that yesterday. Why it is sine theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, tell me, what is I cross J?
One.
Into 1 into
One.
sine of, what is angle between I and J?
90.
90 degrees. So it is
90.
sine 90. So, and,
1.
no. And right hand thumb rule use करना. into n cap भी लिखना है ना. तो I और J को अगर आपने राइट हैंड थंब रूल यूज किया तो कौन सा डायरेक्शन आएगा? योर थंब विल पॉइंट इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू राइट हैंड थंब रूल?
J.
J. Wait, let me just copy this. Yeah. Here I और J के डायरेक्शन में अगर आपने फिंगर्स रखे I और J, तो थंब का डायरेक्शन कौन सा होगा? अपवर्ड होगा.
अपवर्ड सर.
तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे?
यस सर.
K कैप. तो आंसर क्या है? K कैप. क्लियर? J क्रॉस
Yes,
K
sir.
equals to 1 into sine of 90 degrees.
Sin 90 is
So let me just write down this here. IJ का क्या आएगा? कॉपी. JK का क्या आएगा?
I cap.
JK का आएगा I कैप. आई थिंक इसका डायरेक्शन A से होगा, राइट? ऐसे समझ में आया? JK का ऐसे आएगा. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes,
है कि
sir.
नहीं? तो JK का आपको आएगा I कैप. तो ये क्या है? I कैप है. और KI का क्या आएगा?
J cap.
1 into
sin 90
sin 90
cap.
into
J cap. Point towards J.
तो कहाँ है J और K? सॉरी, K और I कहाँ है? यहाँ पे है. ऐसे आएगा, है कि नहीं? समझ में आया?
Yes,
तो
sir.
I'll just mention it.
Yes, sir.
ये कौन सा डायरेक्शन है? ये वाला I क्रॉस J का. और ये कौन सा डायरेक्शन है? ये वाला. J क्रॉस
K.
K का. क्लियर? और ये कौन सा डायरेक्शन है?
K cross I cap.
A क्रॉस I का. समझ गए? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
तो I क्रॉस J का डायरेक्शन क्या आया? K आया.
Upwards.
K क्रॉस I का क्या आया?
J cap.
K आया.
Yes, sir.
I cap.
आया. ठीक है, समझ में आई बात? तो ये आएगा ये क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे इसका K है, इसका I है, और इसका जे है, ठीक है। ओके, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट विल बी जे क्रॉस आई। जे क्रॉस आई क्या होगा? हमने कल देखा था कि ए क्रॉस बी इक्वल टू माइनस बी क्रॉस है।
Yes, sir.
तो आई
Minus
क्रॉस जे
K.
अगर के है तो जे क्रॉस आई क्या होगा? माइनस के। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
Yes, sir.
और के क्रॉस जे क्या होगा?
माइनस आई के
माइनस
कैप
आई। और आई
कैप
क्रॉस के क्या होगा?
माइनस जे कैप.
माइनस जे। नाउ द थिंग इज दिस, जस्ट लुक एट दिस. इफ यू वांट यू कैन चेक यूजिंग राइट हैंड थंब रूल. जे जे और आई देखो, जे से स्टार्ट करो, आई से एंड करो. राइट हैंड थंब रूल यूज करो. कौन सा डायरेक्शन आएगा?
सर डाउनवर्ड्स आ रहा है.
डाउनवर्ड आएगा. के ऑपोजिट आएगा. ठीक है, तो माइनस के आएगा. क्लियर? ठीक है. जे क्रॉस के एक्स के डायरेक्शन में बट के क्रॉस जे किधर आएगा? यूज योर राइट हैंड. आई के ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में आएगा. दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? यूजिंग योर राइट हैंड.
यस सर.
ओके, क्लियर? एंड व्हाट
Yes,
अबाउट
sir.
आई क्रॉस के? माइनस जे के डायरेक्शन में आएगा. क्लियर है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let me just summarize. Okay, if you do the cross product of a same unit vector with itself, you'll get zero vector. Okay, or you'll get a vector with zero magnitude. So you need not write that. And if you do I with j, you'll get k. If you do j with k, you'll get I. You'll do k with I, you'll get j. And any other combination other than that, you'll get minus. Okay, समझ में आई बात? देखो, I लिख दिया, J लिख दिया, K लिख दिया. उसके बाद फिर क्या आएगा ऑर्डर में? I आएगा. ठीक है. अगर इस ऑर्डर में गए तो आपको पॉजिटिव आएगा. समझ में आई बात आपको?
Yes, sir.
तो देखो, व्हाट इज I क्रॉस J? देखो, ये ऑर्डर में गए आप तो आपको क्या आएगा? पॉजिटिव आएगा इस ऑर्डर में. ठीक है, समझ में आई बात? और इस ऑर्डर में अगर नहीं गए तो आपको क्या आएगा? नेगेटिव आएगा. ठीक है, क्लियर?
No, sir.
Okay, now I cross J is K, correct? क्योंकि ऑर्डर में है. J क्रॉस K is I. Why? Because इस ऑर्डर में है. ठीक है. और K क्रॉस I क्या होगा? J आएगा. समझ में?
J.
समझ में आई बात? तो यहाँ पे कौन सा आएगा? जो यहाँ पे नहीं है वो आएगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो नहीं है वो आएगा यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे जो नहीं है वो इधर आएगा. ठीक है, क्लियर? और प्लस कब आएगा?
Yes, sir.
जब ऑर्डर में लेंगे.
Negative in
साइक्लिक
order.
ऑर्डर में जो ऑर्डर है उस ऑर्डर में लेंगे तो पॉजिटिव आएगा. अगर ऑर्डर में नहीं लिया आपने तो नेगेटिव आएगा. समझ में आई बात? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
तो अगर आपने जे क्रॉस आई लिया तो क्या आएगा?
Minus K cap.
माइनस के कैप. उसके बाद क्या है? के क्रॉस जे
K into J.
माइनस आई कैप.
Minus I cap.
और आई क्रॉस के माइनस जे कैप. समझ में आई बात?
Minus J cap. Yes,
तो
sir.
नेगेटिव कब आएगा? पॉजिटिव कब आएगा?
When it is ordered and not in order.
order is
जो
positive,
साइक्लिक ऑर्डर है तो पॉजिटिव आएगा. अगर ऑर्डर में नहीं है, इस साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में नहीं है,
negative.
तो आएगा नेगेटिव. समझ में आई बात?
So,
नाउ हाउ टू डू क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट? क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू.
sir, x means we are doing multiplication, right?
दिस इज क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. This is cross product. Dot means
No,
what?
no, I'm telling k cap x I cap. We are
That is
multiplying, right?
cross product.
Cross product.
It is cross product. It is cross product. ठीक है?
Yes,
For
sir.
example, what is this? Dot product. It is dot product. What is I into I? 1. What is j dot j? 1. What is k dot k? 1. Remember.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What is I
sir.
cross j? I dot j is equal to,
0.
yeah. So let me write in another color. I dot j equal to j dot I equals to 0. Remember? Okay.
Yes, sir.
J dot k equals to k dot j equals to 0. Then k dot I equal to I dot k equals to 0. Clear? So these are what? Dot products. Those are what? Cross products. ये सारे क्या है?
Cross product.
डॉट प्रोडक्ट्स है. सो हमेशा डॉट प्रोडक्ट में लास्ट में क्या आएगा आपको? स्केलर आएगा. ये क्या है? स्केलर. बट क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट में क्या आएगा? वेक्टर.
Vector.
That's why cross product में even answers are in the form of vectors. Clear? So these are dot products.
Sir, can you please explain why I cap dot j cap is 0?
Yesterday I told you, right? Angle between them is 90. What is dot product? AB cos theta. So cos 90 is 0.
Okay, sir.
These are cross products. Clear? What is dot product? A bar dot B bar equals to what?
AB cos theta.
AB cos theta. Theta is angle between them. Okay. Clear? So I dot
Yes,
j
sir.
is 0, j dot k is 0. Anything cross anything dot anything which is perpendicular will result in a 0 scalar. Clear?
So, sir, cross product will be AB sin theta and dot product will be AB cos theta.
Dot product will be AB cos theta. That's all. But cross product will be AB sin theta into n cap, and n cap is given by right hand thumb rule. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
Now, so these definitions are not just defined for some random reasons. These definitions were invented to calculate work done and torque. Initially, they are applied in other calculations also, but initially they were invented to what? Calculate work done as well as torque. Dot product was invented for calculating work done, and cross product was invented for calculating torque. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Acha, according to
Yes,
this,
sir.
what is a? See, suppose a bar equals to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. B bar equals to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. What was a bar dot b bar? Tell me. According to the all the combinations above, what was a bar dot b bar? It was ax bx plus
AY, BY plus
plus
AZ,
az bz. Examples we have seen already, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Example, if a bar equals to I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap, and B bar equals to minus 2I cap plus J cap plus 5K cap. What is A bar dot B bar? Tell me.
1 into minus 2
1 into minus 2 plus
plus 2 into 1
plus
plus minus 3 into 5.
which is equal to, tell me, minus 15.
Minus 15.
Minus 15, sir.
Minus 15.
Yes.
So what did you get at the answer as? You got a scalar.
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 Dot product
Scalar.
is a scalar, right? Now similarly, in similar way, let me try to find out what cross product of two vectors is. Correct? Similarly, to find cross product, what should I do? So what is A equals to? बोलिए फिर से.
BO.
And what is B bar equals to?
AXI cap plus AYJ cap plus AZ K cap.
No. Now carefully take the cross product. Now if you want to take the cross product, what do? You write A bar cross B bar, right? For that, what you have to do is you have to take the first this thing, okay, and then you have to take it in bracket, and you have to cross it with the second vector. Do you agree?
Yes.
Now the thing is, see, there are so many factors here. So many factors. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just let me write down. Okay, plus Byj cap, Pg, K cap. But there are so many factors. And in fact, how many factors will you get totally? I think you'll get 9 factors you'll get, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the thing
Yes,
is,
sir.
see, this with this will be 0. This with this will be 0. This will this with this will be 0 because I cross I is 0, J cross J is 0, and K cross K is 0. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
But what I'll do is, instead of writing all and selecting all, I'll use one clean method and try to just write down what the cross product is. So I'll write it as A cross B, A bar cross B bar equals to, I'll take I cap. Now when will I get I cap? I'll get I cap only by the combination of J and K. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
J I'll
sir.
get combination from I and K. K I'll get combination of I and J. Correct? Okay. अच्छा, I cap ये J और ये K के combination से आएगा, ठीक है? तो this is J cross K cap ना, J cross K है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? This is J cross K. Is J cross K positive or negative? It is plus I cap.
क्लास करो
Plus I cap or minus I cap?
Sir, positive I cap.
Positive
Positive
I
I
cap.
cap.
I cap.
Positive I cap. So it is what? AY BZ. If AY BZ is
BZ.
positive, then AZ BY will be negative. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Because देखो, अगर J क्रॉस K पॉजिटिव I है तो K क्रॉस J नेगेटिव I आएगा, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
तो AZ into K cap times BY into J cap will be minus
Negative I.
negative I cap.
Minus I.
Negative I cap. समझ गए? Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding my point? So I cap के पूरे आगे मुझे आई कैप के कौन से कॉम्बिनेशन है? इसका इससे प्लस आई कैप आएगा. Do you agree? Because J cross K is plus I. Second combination is K cross J. It is minus I.
Negative I.
That's why यहाँ पे minus आया. Clear?
मैं देखते ड्रॉ.
Clear? And second term.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Second term is minus J cap. Now I am intentionally writing minus J cap because I'll tell you later why. But you just understand that we have to write minus. So I am writing minus. So when will J be minus? I cross K. I cross K में
K.
कितना? J माइनस आएगा. ठीक है, क्लियर? तो AX
Yes, sir.
BZ माइनस ऑलरेडी है और प्लस कब आएगा? K क्रॉस I में
When
प्लस
K
आएगा,
cross
राइट?
I.
K क्रॉस I में प्लस आएगा तो यहाँ पे माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो गया और ये हो गया AZ BX. अग्री? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think space will not be enough. Okay. Anybody has any problem until now? अभी प्लस K cap. आप लोग बोलिए K cap के क्या आएंगे? K comes by the combination of I and J. K comes from the combination of I and J. तो I J क्या होगा? I J. I cross J क्या होगा? प्लस K.
A
प्लस K होगा. AX
AX BY
BY
minus
minus.
AY BX.
So just by the pattern also you can just guess what the term is. Clear? समझ में आई बात? Now only mysterious thing is why did I take minus here? I could have taken plus also, right? समझ में आई बात?
Sir.
हाँ. Tell me.
Same doubt, sir. Why we have taken minus there?
Why I have taken minus? See, I could have taken plus here and I can put minus here and plus here, right? That is also correct.
Yes, sir.
But I have taken minus here. I'll tell you why. Because there is a, see, every time you cannot do this process for taking the cross product, right? Each and every term check karna. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So there is a small trick which they use in mathematics, which is called determinant. Determinant मतलब क्या? किसी को याद है मेट्रिसेस में डिटर्मिनेंट? मेट्रिसेस पढ़ा किसी ने?
No, sir.
So I think you will learn for the first time in 11th and 12th matrices, but I think in 10th also some boards have. But anyway, so what they do is, देखो, they take two bars like this to find the cross product. So instead of doing this again and again, they take these two bars. ऐसे दो bars लेते हैं. इसको determinant भी बोलते हैं. I'll explain what determinant is. You just remember it. Okay. So when you are taking A cross B, A bar cross B bar, what they do is they take a determinant and they write I cap here, they write J cap here, and they write K cap here. This is called the first row. And in the second row, they write the coefficients of I, J, K of the first vector. तो इधर AX आएगा, इधर AY आएगा और इधर AZ आएगा. और थर्ड रो में जो है ना BX, BY and BZ. This is how determinant is written. And how to find the determinant, I will tell you. See, first they take this. पहले ये I cap ले लिया. I cap ले लिया ना, तो ये रो और ये कॉलम कट कर देंगे. ये रो और ये कॉलम कट कर देंगे. ठीक है? और लिखेंगे जब डाउनवर्ड जाएंगे पॉजिटिव लेंगे, जब अपवर्ड जाएंगे नेगेटिव लेंगे. ठीक है? समझ में आई बात? क्लियर? सो इट इज
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I cap into, बोलो, I cap into AY BZ minus AZ, sorry, minus BY
J.
AZ. क्लियर? समझ में आई बात? ओके.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
अच्छा, एक और चीज है डिटर्मिनेंट में, ये पॉजिटिव लेते हैं, इसके साथ नेगेटिव लेते हैं, इसके साथ पॉजिटिव लेते हैं. ठीक है? वो एक्चुअली जितना भी बड़ा मैट्रिक्स हो अल्टरनेट पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आएगा. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव। समझ में आई बात? तो दूसरा वाला क्या लेंगे? नेगेटिव लेंगे। दूसरा वाला क्या लेंगे? नेगेटिव।
Negative
No,
J.
no, I'm not going into detail of that because that matrices is a very big topic in mathematics. So I'm just telling you how to do. You just remember this here, okay? So minus j cap into, तो जब j cap लेंगे तो इसका रो और इसका कॉलम कट कर देंगे, और जब नीचे जाएंगे पॉजिटिव लिखेंगे, जब ऊपर जाएंगे नेगेटिव लेंगे। तो क्या आएगा? माइनस j cap into
AX BZ minus AZ BX
AZ
BX BZ.
bx az bx az क्लियर? bx az। फिर थर्ड वाला पॉजिटिव लेंगे, ठीक है? पॉजिटिव लेंगे तो क्या आएगा?
AX BY minus BX AY.
तो जस्ट लेट मी जस्ट reiterate दैट। तो लास्ट वाला k कैप ले लेंगे। जब k कैप लेंगे तो ये रो और ये कॉलम कट कर देंगे। जब नीचे आएंगे तो पॉजिटिव लेंगे, ऊपर आएंगे तो नेगेटिव लेंगे, ठीक है? तो क्या
Yes,
क्या
sir.
आएगा? टेल मी।
AX BY minus BX AY.
Did you get the same thing? Just check. You got the
Yes,
same
sir.
thing, right?
Sir, AZ BX is converted into BX AZ.
But it is same, right? When you multiply 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, it's same,
Yes, sir.
right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is how determinant is taken. Now, why did I take j intentionally negative? Because that is how the determinant is defined. ठीक है? Determinant को ऐसे define करते हैं. There are lots of things in determinants. Determinants is a very big topic. Determinant का खुद का जो है ना 1 week lecture हो सकता है अगर आपने सीखना start किया तो. Properties of determinants and all. Clear? So there are so many things. There is something called cofactor, inverse of a matrix, Cramer's rule. So बहुत सारे topics are related to determinants, but we don't require that. Okay, they learn that in mathematics. Okay, so it is a very big branch of mathematics called linear algebra. So but we don't require it much. We just use it for taking the cross product. Cross product का shortcut है, ठीक है? Clear? Cross product कैसा है वो तो हमने derive कर दिया। मैंने सिर्फ फॉर्मूला नहीं दिया आपको, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग एक्सप्लेन किया कि कहां से आया क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट को इजीली कैसे निकालते हैं? यूजिंग डिटरमिनेंट निकालते हैं, ठीक है? क्लियर? नो, आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल। सपोज force applied on a body is 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap. Clear? And position vector about axis of rotation कितना है? r cap is equal to, कुछ नंबर बोलना, कुछ वेक्टर बोलना।
minus 5 cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap.
minus 3k cap. You can take anything. Okay, minus 3k cap. Now we know that these two are vectors, right? Do you agree these two are vectors?
Yes.
F bar and r bar both are vectors. समझ में आया? Clear? Now what is torque?
Pseudo vector.
Torque is a pseudo vector. Okay, ठीक है. But what is the definition of torque? Torque equals to, बोलो.
F bar
No,
R.
It is r bar cross f bar. It is
R bar cross F bar into sin theta.
no.
Sin theta and
No. R bar cross f bar बस खाली. It is r bar cross f bar. That's all. अगर आपने magnitudes में लिखना है तो r into f into sin theta लिखोगे. But it is just r bar cross f bar. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes, sir.
Now see, two vectors are given to you. Magnitudes of vectors are not given and angle between them is not given. Two vectors are given. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So how to find the torque? Therefore torque equals to, बोलो.
2i cap.
No.
Sorry, minus I cap.
No need to do all that. You just put the determinant. You take I cap, J cap, bolo, K cap, and after that R के क्या है बोलो? -1
+2 -3
+2 -3
और F के क्या है? 2.
+2 3 -5.
It is very important to write it in order because cross product depends on order. R cross F is not equal to
Sir,
F cross R.
-5.
-5. Okay. So it is very important to write this in order. पहले second row में लिखना R bar, third row में लिखना F bar का. ठीक है? If you write opposite, then your answer will be negative. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tell me what is torque? I cap into बोलो
2 into
-5
-5
plus
2 into
three
-5.
minus
-3
3 into -3.
Okay.
Sir, do we have to create this table all the time?
Without that, how will you do? Tell me. This is not
Minus
table.
Sir, that-
This is determinant. Yeah. Without this, how will you do?
Sir, can't we use that formula that we
Which
just
formula?
derived?
Which formula?
Sir, that I cap AX BZ or whatever that was.
Now, who will remember that? Nobody remembers that. Even I don't remember.
Okay, sir.
Minus J cap into, tell me.
-1
-1 into
five.
-5
-1 into -5
-5
minus of.
minus
of 2 into
-3.
-3.
Okay. Plus K cap into. Tell me.
-1
-1 into
3.
3
Minus 1 times
2 into 3.
3
minus of
-2 into 3. 2 into 2.
2 into 2
2 into 2 it is, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So what is tau bar equal to? Tell me. Ten minus 10. I think it is 0, right?
सर वो -1 प्लस 3 है ना सर के कैप में
K cap में
-1 प्लस 3 माइनस
एक मिनट एक मिनट K cap में यहाँ पे क्या है?
3
प्लस 3
प्लस 3 है, राइट राइट हियर. ओके, अब बोलो. What is this? -10 plus 9.
-1
So it is I
Minus
cap.
no.
I cap.
I
What
cap.
about this? What about J cap? So I
5
think
minus
it is
5. 5 minus 6.
11. -11
Five
and minus
plus
into
five.
minus is plus. Plus 11
11.
J
Sir,
cap.
first one -1, right?
Why -1? Yeah.
Minus cap.
Okay. Minus
cap.
I cap. Minus I cap. Plus 11 J cap, right? Okay. What about this third?
Minus 7 cap. -7
Minus
K
7 K
cap. K
cap.
cap.
-1 कैप
Now, good thing about writing vectors in the form of ijk is addition is easy, subtraction is easy, taking dot product is easy, and taking cross product is easy. You don't need to use any right hand thumb rule, left hand thumb rule, or anything like that. Are you understanding my point?
Yes, sir.
See, and there is no need to find the direction using any thumb rule or anything. You will get answer in the form of vector. That means you will have information about both direction and magnitude in the answer itself. Clear? Are you getting my
Yes,
point?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So when you write vectors, if vector is given in the form of ijk, if vectors are given in the form of what?
ij and k.
So let me just copy that again and again what to write. If vectors are given in the form of this, copy, paste, yeah. Then addition, tell me, then addition, subtraction, dot product, and cross product are easy, correct? Otherwise, for addition and subtraction, you have to use parallelogram law, right? And you have to find the magnitude separately, angle separately, right? Remember?
Yes, sir.
So you have to use that formula of under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. You have to use the formula of alpha equal to tan inverse of b sin theta by a plus b cos theta, right? So it is a complicated thing if it is given in the form of magnitudes and directions. But if it is given in the form of ijk, what do you do? How do you add? You just add ax with bx, you add ay with by, and you add az with bz, and your answer will be ax plus bx I cap, ay plus by j cap, az plus bz k cap. Simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Subtraction is also easy. You just subtract bx from ax, you subtract by from ay, you subtract bz from az. Your answer will be ax minus bx I cap plus ay minus by j cap plus az minus bz k cap, right? Clear? And dot product is also easy. How to take dot product? Tell me. Tell me.
Sir, ax I cap multiplied by bx I cap.
Yeah. No. There is no I cap
Sorry.
in dot product. There is no I cap. It's just ax bx plus ay
Plus
by
ay by
plus
plus
az
az
bz.
bz.
In dot product, you never get I cap, j cap, k cap. Remember, in dot product, you never get I cap, j cap, k cap because it is a scalar product. Your answer will be a scalar. You will not get a vector. Clear? And how to take cross product here? Put the determinant. Apply the definition of determinant, and you will get the dot product. Do you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Now let me show you some applications. Applications of vectors. Okay, just listen to this. Suppose this is a side of a triangle. One vector is a side of a triangle. This another vector is also a side of a triangle. So this is also a side of triangle. A bar and B bar, these are sides of triangles. So magnitude of A bar is A, magnitude of B bar is B. Do you agree? Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
the angle between them, suppose it is theta. Suppose it is theta. Angle between them is theta. Now, I'm writing it here. If A bar and B bar okay, let me just increase it a little bit. Okay. Now, let me write down here. If A bar and B bar are sides of a triangle, then its area is, tell me, A half into, tell me.
Into a bar into b bar.
No. Half into, what is the area of triangle? Half into base into
Height.
half into base into height. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what is base here?
A bar.
A bar.
It is A, not A bar, just A.
A.
Okay. And what is height?
B.
This is height. It is B. Sin theta. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this is b cos theta. This is b cos theta and this is b sin theta. Clear? So can I write b sin theta here? Clear?
So,
Now, which is equal to what? This is equal to what? Half into magnitude of. What is the meaning of magnitude? Length. A cross b. Do you agree? समझ में आई बात? Why?
Yes, sir.
What is A cross B? What is A cross B? It is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sine of angle between them into n cap, right? But when you take the magnitude of n cap, what is the magnitude of n cap? N cap is a unit vector, right? So it is half into A into B into sin theta. Clear? समझ में आई बात?
Yes.
Okay. For example, if I take these same vectors, ये vectors फिर से ले लेंगे हम लोग. ये vectors फिर से ले लेंगे. Copy, paste. Why I am taking same vectors is because I don't want to do it again. So let it be A bar. Let it be B bar. तो half into A cross B क्या होगा? Half into magnitude of A bar cross B bar चाहिए, right? But we already found out what A bar cross B bar is. What is it?
minus I cap
I'll just copy from there. Copy. Paste. So this was the thing, right? We just found out.
Yes,
Clear? So
yes, sir.
this is the answer. So how to find the answer? Therefore, area of triangle is, if these are sides of triangle, if these are sides of triangle of a, okay, let me write down. Suppose these are sides of a triangle, then area is half into
half into minus I bar
हम्म,
I cap.
मैग्नीट्यूड इसका मीनिंग क्या है? मैग्नीट्यूड है. जब भी ऐसा लिखो,
1 minus 1
वेरी गुड, -1
plus 11 minus 7.
होल स्क्वायर प्लस 11 होल स्क्वायर
There.
प्लस -7 होल स्क्वायर.
Minus 7 whole
तो क्या
square.
आएगा?
So, area.
हम्म
Yes, sir.
एरिया इज 121 और 49 कितना होगा? 121 49
70? 170.
170, I guess, right? 121 and 149
170, sir.
170 plus 1 171, right?
120.
तो आंसर क्या है?
170 sir. 171.
रूट ऑफ 171
171
by 2
by 2.
square units. Did you understand what I told? ठीक है, समझ में आई बात? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now next thing, suppose A and B are adjacent sides of a parallelogram. You know what parallelogram is, right?
Yes, sir.
Then the area of parallelogram कितना होगा? तो let us just write this down. So duplicate. So ये हो गया आपका parallelogram. So A and B are adjacent sides. तो दूसरे sides भी A and B ही होंगे. Clear? So what is the area of parallelogram? Tell me. किसी को याद है area of parallelogram? Area of rectangle याद है?
Yes, sir.
L into
It's half into base into height. Now area of parallelogram is half into base into height. Sorry, not half. Just base into height. ट्रायंगल का बेस हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट है और पैरेललोग्राम क्या क्या है? बेस इंटू हाइट है. व्हाई? सी इफ यू टेक आउट दिस एंड पुट इट हियर, क्या बन जाएगा? रेक्टेंगल बन जाएगा. सेम एरिया आएगा. तो रेक्टेंगल का एरिया कितना होगा? लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. तो ए इंटू बी साइन थीटा होगा. क्लियर? समझ में आई बात? एनीबॉडी हैज एनी प्रॉब्लम इन दिस?
no, sir.
No, sir.
it is very clear. See, अगर ये पार्ट निकाल के आप इधर रख दो तो क्या बन जाएगा? ये
The triangle.
ट्रायंगल बन जाएगा. सॉरी, रेक्टेंगल बन जाएगा. ये रेक्टेंगल का एरिया क्या होगा? लेंथ ए है, ब्रेथ
Length
साइन
into
थीटा है.
breadth.
क्लियर? तो ए इंटू बी साइन थीटा ये रेक्टेंगल का एरिया आएगा. वही जो है पैरेललोग्राम का भी एरिया होगा. ठीक है? क्लियर? सो
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम?
Base into height.
Base into height.
So area of parallelogram is
सर
AB.
ये b sin थीटा कैसे आया?
वही तो कर रहे हैं स्टार्टिंग से. ये B है, थीटा है, तो ये B cos थीटा है, ये B sin थीटा है. रेक्टेंगुलर कंपोनेंट्स. If this is B sin theta and this is B cos theta.
Cos
थीटा.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
हाँ. So area of parallelogram is AB sin theta. तो वेक्टर के फॉर्म में कैसे लिखोगे? बोलो.
Sir, is it A bar cross B bar sin
Yes.
theta?
Yes. Wait. With adjacent sides. A bar and
Cross B bar.
B is बोलो.
A bar
A bar.
cross
B bar.
cos theta. Sin
No.
theta. Sin
No.
theta.
No
sin theta.
No sin theta. No sin theta. क्रॉस में ही है sin theta. समझ गए? समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
Don't say sin theta because see what is A bar cross B bar? It's magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta into n cap. Correct?
Yes, sir.
अगर इधर मॉड लगा दिया और इधर मॉड लगा दिया तो क्या होगा? तो ए भी तो वैसे भी नंबर है, वो बाहर आ जाएगा. तो ए
AB sin
sin
theta.
बाहर आ जाएगा. मॉड ऑफ एन कैप आएगा. मॉड ऑफ एन कैप. तो यूनिट वेक्टर है एन कैप, तो उसका मैग्नीट्यूड क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. तो आंसर क्या है?
AB sin theta.
Sin theta. That was the area, right? That was the
Yes,
area, right? In the beginning. So answer is what?
AB sin theta.
So this is the answer. So if two
Mod
vectors
of-
are given, mod of A cross B. तो अगर यहाँ पे फिर से सेम लेते हैं हम लोग, सेम वेक्टर्स लेते हैं. I'm just copying this. Everything will be same. So if A and B are sides of a parallelogram, ठीक है? Then the area is A cross B. मॉड ऑफ, तो इसका मॉड आएगा तो ये हाफ चला जाएगा, ये हाफ चला जाएगा, तो आंसर क्या आएगा?
√171.
√171 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स आएगा। क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you shouldn't get confused. Sometimes instead of giving AB as sides of triangle, he will give you position vectors of triangle. Are you getting my point? देखो मैं बताऊंगा, watch carefully. So this is x-axis, suppose. This is y-axis. This is y-axis. ठीक है, समझ में आई बात? Watch carefully. So many things you have to understand now. So many things are there to understand. So आपको जो है ना ये 3 पॉइंट्स दे दिया, समझ गए? ये एक पॉइंट दे दिया, ये दूसरा पॉइंट दे दिया, और ये तीसरा पॉइंट दे दिया। 3 पॉइंट्स दे दिया आपने आपको, ठीक है? तो वो पॉइंट्स आर वर्टिसेस ऑफ ट्रायंगल। दीज आर वर्टिसेस ऑफ क्या? ट्रायंगल। समझ में आई बात? तो ये आपका ट्रायंगल है, येलो वाला। ये येलो वाला आपका क्या है? ट्रायंगल है। समझ में आया? तो इस बार
Yes,
इसमें
sir.
साइड्स नहीं दिए, वर्टिसेस दे दिए। कौन सा वर्टिसेस दे दिए? वर्टेक्स ए दे दिया, वर्टेक्स बी दे दिया, और ये वर्टेक्स सी दे दिया, और ये ऑरिजिन है। समझ में आया? तो 3 वेक्टर्स दे दिया आपको। कौन से कौन से? ओ ए बार, ओ बी बार,
OC bar.
ओ सी बार। Sometimes these vectors are sometimes written like this instead of OA, OB, OC. कभी कभी जो है ना OA को ए बार से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, OB बार को B बार से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, OC बार को C बार से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। क्लियर? लास्ट टाइम ए बार बी बार क्या थे? साइड्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल थे। इस बार क्या है ये?
Vertices.
इस बार क्या है? वर्टिसेस है। इन करेक्टली स्पीकिंग, एग्जैक्टली स्पीकिंग, दीज आर पोजीशन वेक्टर्स ऑफ वर्टिसेस। समझ में आया? ठीक है, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
तो हमको अभी 2 साइड्स मालूम करना है। पहले 2 साइड्स, कोई भी 2 साइड्स मालूम करना है तो फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे हम लोग, हाफ एक साइड क्रॉस दूसरा साइड। ठीक है, तो हम लोग कौन से साइड फाइंड करेंगे? बोलिए। ए बी एंड बी सी। समझ में आई बात? क्लियर? What we are doing now?
Many sides.
Finding A, B and B sides. A, B and B, C. तो A B कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? बोलना। A B equals to B bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar, B C equal to, बोलिए, C bar minus B bar। समझ में आई बात? Do you have any problem in understanding this?
So why B bar minus A bar?
I'll explain. अच्छा, ये जो येलो कलर का एरो दिखाई दिया आपको, ये है आपका ए बी। तो ए बी क्या होगा? बी बार माइनस ए बार होगा। कैसे होगा? देखो, कैन यू सी दैट ओ ए प्लस ए बी इक्वल टू ओ बी? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
देखो, ओ ए प्लस ए बी इक्वल्स टू ओ बी। आपने ओ से ए पे गए, आपने ओ से ए पे, यू स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम ए एंड यू रीच्ड एट ए, and then you started at A and reached at B. तो overall you started at O and reached at B. समझ
B.
में आया?
Yes, sir.
देखो इसका हेड इसका टेल, कॉमन हेड कॉमन टेल है, तो रिजल्टेंट इज फ्रॉम फ्री हेड टू फ्री टेल, फ्री हेड टू फ्री टेल. समझ में आया? तो व्हाट इज ए बी? बोलो. ओ बी माइनस ओ ए.
B minus A. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Understood.
देखो भाई मैं एक बात बताऊंगा आपको, आपको एक बात बताऊंगा यहाँ पे. सपोज दिस इज ए बार, दिस इज बी बार, और दिस इज पी बार, दिस इज क्यू बार, दिस इज पी बार and this is q bar. pq is always equal to, okay, this is एक काम करते हैं, let me take this as point p and point q. Okay, so let me take this
Yes,
as
sir.
p bar and let me take this as q bar. ठीक है, तो pq bar क्या होगा? pq bar, pq bar equals to,
Q bar minus P bar.
एक मिनट, pq bar equals to q bar
Minus
minus p bar.
P
Very
bar.
good. समझ गए? Always, if you want to find any vector, that vector can be given as the, suppose you want to find any displacement vector, the displacement vector can be always given as final position minus initial position. ठीक है? इनिशियल पोजीशन क्या है? क्या है इनिशियल पोजीशन? बोलिए.
B.
पी बार. फाइनल पोजीशन क्या है?
Q. Q bar.
क्यू बार. डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या है? पी क्यू बार, which is final position minus initial position. ठीक है, समझ में आएगा? तो I'll just change it to yellow, you'll understand. Clear? Okay, तो ए बी हमेशा बी माइनस ए होगा, बी सी हमेशा सी माइनस बी होगा, पी क्यू हमेशा क्यू माइनस पी होगा. समझ गए? एल एम हमेशा एम माइनस एन होगा. ठीक है?
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so position vectors of vertices of triangle, vertices of a triangle are, बोलो कुछ भी, i cap plus j cap plus k cap comma minus 2i cap plus j cap
5K cap.
5k cap and बोलो minus k cap plus 2k cap. ठीक है? क्लियर? so these are a, बोलिए, this is point A, point B, point C. Clear? So before finding the area we need sides. We need sides AB and BC. तो AB क्या होगा? P बार माइनस
A
बार.
bar.
कितना आएगा बोलो? माइनस
Minus
3i
2
कैप,
minus 1.
माइनस 3i कैप प्लस 0j कैप प्लस 4k कैप. डू यू अग्री?
Yes, sir.
B minus A. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Then we should find BC. So what is BC? Tell me. C minus A. Sorry, C minus B. तो कितना आएगा बोलो? माइनस आई कैप, नो 2 आई कैप,
Sir,
-2.
नो प्लस 2 आई कैप,
plus 2 I cap, sir.
हाँ, और -2 J कैप, राइट,
minus 3K cap.
-3K कैप, करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
व्हाट
sir.
इज
Sir,
एरिया ऑफ
+2.
ट्रायंगल? +2 कैसे? यहाँ पे तो 0 था, आई का कुछ था नहीं, तो 0 माइनस -2 कितना?
2 I cap.
0 माइनस ऑफ -2 कितना? +2.
ठीक है सर.
-1 कितना आएगा? -2, और 2 में से 5 निकालेंगे तो आएगा -3. समझ में आया? तो ना
Yes, sir.
बोलो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल क्या होगा? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज हाफ, बोलो, ए बी क्रॉस बी सी का डिटर्मिनेंट और का मैग्नीट्यूड. ठीक है, क्लियर? तो लेट अस फाइंड आउट क्या आएगा. तो हाफ, एक मैग्नीट्यूड का लगाऊंगा, एक डिटर्मिनेंट का लगाऊंगा, 2 लाइन आएंगे. ठीक है, आई जे के ठीक है. तो ए बी का क्या है बोलो? ए बी, ए बी का बोलो -3 J0
J0 K4
K4, और बी सी का क्या है? 2
2 -2
-3. क्लियर? तो अभी बोलो क्या आएगा? हाफ इंटू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ आई कैप इंटू 0
0 into
eight.
-3.
नो 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 नो, आई के लिए क्या करोगे? ये कट कर दोगे तो ये 0 होगा, माइनस ऑफ -8 + 8. समझ गए? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
माइनस जे कैप के लिए ये कट कर दो, क्या आएगा? 3 इंटू -3 इंटू -3,
9.
9 - 8 1,
1.
तो माइनस जे कैप लिख दूंगा. ठीक है, प्लस के कैप इंटू
0 and
ये कट कर दो,
6.
6 - 0 6 आएगा, तो 6 के कैप आएगा. ठीक है, -J कैप प्लस 6 के कैप, करेक्ट? तो आंसर क्या आएगा बोलो? हाफ इंटू √8
square
स्क्वायर
-1 square plus 6 square.
कितना आएगा? 101, राइट? क्या है?
1/2 into a √101.
101 by
2.
2 square units. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, नेक्स्ट. any two vectors are coplanar. What do you mean?
Lie on a same plane.
Are on the same plane.
They are in the same plane, and it makes sense, right? आप कोई भी 2 vectors ले लो, कोई भी 2 vectors, you take any 2 vectors, they will be in some plane.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree? Are there any two vectors in the universe which do not lie in the same plane? If you take any two vectors, you can draw a plane containing those two vectors. Correct? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Next. If you take three vectors, can either be coplanar or may not be coplanar.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि जब थर्ड वेक्टर ड्रॉ करेंगे आप तो वेक्टर प्लेन कंटेनिंग दीज टू वेक्टर्स में रह सकता है या प्लेन के बाहर रह सकता है. समझ गए? क्लियर? फॉर एग्जांपल दीज थ्री आर
Coplanar.
coplanar. Clear?
Sir.
But sometimes it may not be coplanar. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर ऐसा है वेक्टर, ठीक है, टी बार, it is perpendicular, suppose for example it is perpendicular to the plane containing b bar and a bar, suppose ऐसे है, ठीक है, तो क्या लिखोगे? बोलो. a bar, b bar and d bar are non coplanar.
Coplanar.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm just showing you some examples. Clear? ठीक है. So I'll continue about these planar and coplanar vectors tomorrow, and let me tell you that these are related to cross product only. So I'll tell you tomorrow how we can check whether three vectors are coplanar or whether they are not coplanar using the definition of cross product and dot product tomorrow. Clear? Can anyone guess how to check if three vectors are coplanar?
If one vector is 0,
No. If you take the cross product of A and B, it will be perpendicular to the plane, na? According to the definition. समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
देखो, अगर आपने दोनों का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ले लिया, ए बार क्रॉस बी बार ले लिया, इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन कंटेनिंग, बोलो.
Three vectors.
No, plane containing
A bar and B bar.
A bar and B bar. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now if C bar lies in the plane, if C bar lies in the same plane, then A bar cross B bar dot C bar will be equal to क्या?
A bar cross B bar.
See, I'm drawing the diagram here. A bar cross B bar किधर आएगा? A bar cross B bar किधर आएगा? इधर आएगा, है क्या नहीं? ए बार क्रॉस बी बार किधर आएगा? इधर आएगा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this a bar cross b bar is what? Perpendicular to what?
Plane.
The plane. This is a bar cross b bar. ठीक है, समझ में आई बात?
Yes, sir.
तो बोलो डॉट प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा? ये सी से भी तो परपेंडिकुलर होगा, है क्या नहीं?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
सी से भी परपेंडिकुलर होगा, तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा?
A bar dot B bar.
नो 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 नो. ए बार डॉट बी बार, ए बार क्रॉस बी बार और सी बार के बीच में एंगल कितना है? ये दोनों के बीच में एंगल कितना है?
90 degree.
90 डिग्रीज है ना? ये दोनों के बीच में एंगल कितना है?
90 degrees.
90 डिग्रीज है क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तो कितना आएगा बोलो? भूल गए? क्या आएगा दोनों का प्रोडक्ट?
1.
हाँ,
0.
0. Why?
Cos 90 is 0.
Cos 90 is 0. Clear? तो कंक्लूजन क्या है? If a bar cross b bar dot c bar is 0, then a bar, b bar, c bar are coplanar. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Can you do it in a different way? Can I, instead of writing a bar cross b bar dot c bar, can I write a bar dot b bar cross c bar? Will it change anything?
Yes, sir.
Nothing, right? Same story. Nobody is special here. All three are coplanar, correct?
Yes, sir.
You can take cross of any two vector and you do dot with the third vector. If you get 0, then those three vectors are coplanar. That's all. Clear? So this is the test for coplanarity. Tomorrow we'll continue from here. Okay? Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir,
Thank
I
you,
have
sir.
a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, when we were derivating a bar cross b bar, right, sir?
Yeah.
So we were getting I cap into
Yeah.
AY into BZ
Yeah.
minus BY into AZ, right?
Yes.
If we interchange the places of BY AZ to AZ BY,
Yeah.
will there be any difference in the value?
So what is this? This is algebraic multiplication, right? We are multiplying
Yes, sir.
numbers,
Yeah, right here, sir.
right? Inside
Yes,
the
sir.
bracket, what you are multiplying? You are multiplying just numbers.
Yes, sir.
So when you are multiplying numbers, you need not worry about the order. It is commutative. Okay. That means 2 into 3 is same as 3 into 2.
But the negative values will change, no?
No, nothing. Even negative values is the same thing. It's the same thing.
Right.
Minus 2 into 3 is same as 2 into minus 3.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't matter
Yes, sir.
if they are negative or positive. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So determinant will give you a shortcut because that big expression nobody can remember. Right? If you write the determinant, it's quite easy to get it done. So that's why everybody uses this determinant to find the cross product. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.